Hello. It is Wednesday, February 8th, and I'm here with the Northern Neck Real Estate Market Update for this week. So I go over property information for Lancaster and Northumberland Counties in Virginia. So first I start out with residential information. So the strength of market this week has gone up. We are at 83% strength of market. So what does that mean? Strength of market is what tells us if we are in a buyer's market or in a seller's market. If that strength of market is 55% or higher, we are in a seller's market. And if it's below 55%, we are in a buyer's market. So at 83%, we are most certainly in a seller's market again. We have been for the last several weeks. Let me see. I did not get up last week's information to be able to give you a comparison. So I'm working on that now. I've had some lighting issues, so I was focused on that and didn't have myself prepared. Okay, so anyway, while this is opening up, so yes, our strength of market's 83%. Currently, we have 75 active listings on the market, and that is down from last week. We had, let's see, wrong one. So yes, so our active inventory is down. Our pending closings are 62. So those are the properties that are either under contract or pending closing. And there is a difference. Check my stories and I will explain that to you later this week. So 75 active, 62 pending. That gives us our strength of market of 83%. The average days on market for active listings is 172 days now, which I think is crazy. We are up 45% in days on market compared to this time last year. So last week, our strength of market was 67%. So you can tell we have really shot up in our strength of market. We are losing inventory and more going under contract. So now I break it down by price points. So 0 to 200,000, that strength of market this week is 267%. Like mind-blowing, right? Definitely totally a seller's market. Is well above that 55% threshold. 200 to 400,000, we are looking at 111 days on market. Again, seller's market. Now, 400 to 600,000 is the same as last week with 50% strength of market. So just barely under that threshold, but it is in a buyer's market. 600 to 800,000 has gone up at 133% strength of market, and 800 to 1 million has gone up 18%. So definitely well below that 55% threshold. 800 to 1 million is in a buyer's market for sure. Now, last week, our 1 million plus price point, so any homes in Lancaster and Northumberland that are $1 million or more, it was close to being a seller's market, which I don't believe it has ever gotten into a seller's market since I've been doing these updates since 2020. It was at 50% last week, and this week we are at 40%. So it has dropped. If you want, I have my market update. I have all of the spreadsheets that will be on my blog, so you can hop over there. I'm doing this kind of quickly. I have an appointment that I need to leave for in a little bit. Hopefully, I will be beefing up those active listings on the inventory soon. So I just want to make sure I get you some of these numbers, but I go into a lot more detail on my website at www.virginiastoughton.com. Click on blog. I will have all these numbers in print. You can catch past replays, and I have everything from all of the past updates, so you can check that out. But I have not talked about land. So land has gone up in strength of market. We have 443 active listings, which is up a good bit from last week. We only had 425. So we're at 9% strength of market. Definitely a buyer's market for land, as it has been since 2020 when I've been doing these. We have 39 that are pending closing or under contract. So the active and the pending are what gives us our strength of market numbers. The average days on market for active lots in both counties is 849 days. So if you are selling a lot, be prepared. It may be out there for a while. So that's your update. Any questions? Want to know what these numbers mean for you? I'd be happy to talk to you about that. Just give me a shout out. You can leave me a DM, a comment, or reach out, email, text, call. All of those things are good. All right. I hope you all have a great week and an even better weekend. And yeah, I will see you soon. And thank you very much for the comment. I'm sending love right back to you too. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And I'll see you next Wednesday, unless you reach out before. Take care.